Hey there guys, and in this video I'm going to just give you an update on this new Honda Shine Mars which I got for a bike of which was one of my friends. So this one actually I got it from a local market. So the fairing and the doom costs around 800, 700 to 800 you can get it. And this actually doesn't has a parking bulb in it. So this is a 2015 model, and also there's a good cutout is there. Also you could see the plastic ejections here and here. You have to just cut it out. So this actually is a good price, actually if you're gonna buy a new one, they are costing around 1600 plus. So this is fair enough for this price. It's great actually. So also the quality is nice. If you are using a 35 watts bulb, it's pakka. Also the finishing that they have done, right, it's great actually. So normally this part where you mount the headlight bulb, it will be just opened up while they are giving, but these guys have put a small cap over it, so that's nice actually. And you don't get regular vent caps on these small holes. So yeah, dust will be going in this small holes. Yeah, dust will be going in. And also there are small gaps you could see outside here where fit and finish is a major thing here. But yeah, it's okay. If you're closing out from that side, there won't be any visible thing. So this is a single part actually. So you get these two screws, big key screws, also it's made up of ABS plastics. Yeah, this is nice actually. So the headlamp actually gets held around in these two parts, and also at the bottom you could see, right, so this is for the screw bolt, and these two guides actually goes into the headlamp. So actually this area, if you could see, it's solid, man. It's great actually. So it's nice when you compare this headlight and with this small part. So this one is actually less weight compared to the OE one. This is not that heavy. It's just one they have said some 12 volt 35 watts. Okay, so to be honest, if you are using an LED for this, it will be great. And the coating inside, you see, right, metallizing coating they used to call it as. So the life would be more, but if you are using a normal bulb, I don't know how much days it will last. So okay, so I'll update you guys on while fixing on the bike. So the fixing point for these two is, you could see these two clips, right? So these two clips will be going here for these two parts, for this and this. Okay, and this bottom, this guide will be going to seat here. As you could see, these two guides, right, be sitting here, and the headlight, and if you could see this small hole will be going over here. So I just wanted to give a small update on this one. Yes, it's, if you're buying in a second quality one, so it will be a bit hard actually, so that's why. Also they gave me these two stickers, so it's look nice actually. So these one are actually one of the lowest cheap quality stickers. So I actually couldn't take a video of fitting that doom because I gave it to my friend, so he fixed it in outside shop. And this is how it looks after fixing it. Sorry for the dust. Thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates.